Happy Saturday! Join me in this artsy, crafty, fun, and yummy weekend as we learn how to create different, creative, and meaningful projects. I am Teacher Dette and this is Teacher Vibal Weekend Special, where we engage in experiments, do-it-yourself activities, and many more. Staying inside the house for a very long time can get too boring. One of the things that can help us get through boredom is listening to music. But how about you make it more interesting? Like creating your own music at home. Seems fun, right? So for today's episode, we're going to make 3 homemade musical instruments such as tambourine, mini banjo, and spin drums. Don't worry, because the things that we are going to use are accessible and readily available at your home. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Before we proceed to our do-it-yourself project, I want to invite you all to a magical learning experience with Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Just check out this video's description for more details. Alright, I have a question. Do you go out during the Christmas season to do some caroling in your neighbor's house? Well, if you do, then maybe you often see this instrument. First thing that we are going to make is the tambourine. For our do-it-yourself tambourine, we'll be needing 2 paper plates, yarn, hole puncher, scissors, shells and coins, coloring materials and colored papers for the designs. Now, let's get started!
Here's how to do it. First, cut small sections of yarn about 6 inches long. We need to cut 1 6-inch yarn for every hole that we are going to make. Next, we make a hole around the edge of the paper plates using the hole puncher. We are going to tie each yarn to the holes of the plate. You can also shape it like a ribbon to act as a design. When you're almost done tying the yards to the edge, put the shells and coins inside the paper plate. Lastly, use the coloring materials and colored papers to design your own tambourine. Ta-da! You now have your own do-it-yourself tambourine.
The next instrument that we will be doing is a string instrument. Do you want to know what it is? We are going to make a mini banjo. For our do-it-yourself mini banjo, we will be needing popsicle sticks, jar lid, loom bands or rubber bands, scotch tape, washi tapes or colored papers for the designs. Let's get started!
For the first step, we are going to place 4 loom bands or rubber bands over the lid, then secure them in place with tape. Next, we will cut the end of our popsicle stick and decorate it with washi tape or colored paper. Finally, we are going to attach the lid with rubber bands to the popsicle stick using the tape. And there you have it, your very own mini banjo.
Are you excited for our last do-it-yourself project for today? Alright, we will be making our own spin drums. For our do-it-yourself spin drums, we will be needing potato chips can, 2 lids of canned potato chips, yarn or string with a large bead on the end, popsicle sticks, hole puncher, glue gun, washi tapes or colored papers for the designs. Ready? Let's go!
First, let's cut the can at about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the top. Then cover it with washi tape or colored paper. Next, we are going to make a hole for the stick using the hole puncher. We can use the glue gun to make it stable. Now, we are going to attach the lid to the can on one side. We will also use the glue gun to make it stable. Then attach the yarn with a bead on the end to the side of the can. Lastly, put colored papers inside and then attach the second lid using the glue gun. Wow! We now have our own spin drums.
So that's it for today. I hope you can use these instruments to create your own music at home and get to play them with your family. Don't forget to check out Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Just check this video's description for the link. Again, I am Teacher Dette, reminding you to relax, keep calm, and stay crafty. See you again next week for more do-it-yourself projects here in Teacher Vibal Weekend Special.